she love it when the sun comes out. Sweetheart, but the thought comes out. Sometimes, she gotta put herself in check. She don't take no disrespect. You leaving, I know her fake, but she ain't living check to check.
So welcome back to my channel. Hey, my name is shescherylnicole, and today you will be watching me get a full hair service. As you can see, my hairstylist started off at the bowl. She's given me a very good shampoo. I am using Design Essentials hair care products. I'm using the honey cream shampoo, the honey cream mask, and the almond and avocado leave-in conditioner. So in this video, you will be watching me get a sew-in. As you can see, she is now detangling, and she's going to section my hair off into 4 before she moves along to blow drying. I simply feel like this is a super important step when you are offering any type of hair service, because you want to make sure that you are blow drying your clients, or you also want to make sure as the client that your hair is being blow dried thoroughly before any styling. She always used the Bantu knot method on my hair, and this just gets the hair out of the way so she can focus on one section at a time. And honestly, I feel like my hair blow dries faster this way as well, because I also section off my hair for blow drying as well. When blow drying the hair, as you can see, she is going, from the roots all the way down to the end. My hair is super thick, so she definitely makes sure that my hair is fully dry before we move on to the next process. And when I say today was a full service, I mean just that, baby, not only did I get a wash and a blow dryer, I also got my ends clipped as well, and this definitely helps with my hair growth. Excuse my facial expressions, girl. We were in deep conversation, and the conversation and the vibes are always unmatched when I'm in her chair. So today I did opt in for a side part, so that's why she's parting my hair before she go ahead and do my braid down. When I say I'm literally just a girl, I'm literally just a girl. I would much rather just pay someone to do my hair other than doing it myself. However, I am trying to get in the groove of trying new hairstyles. So when I cannot make it to my stylist, I can also do me a little 1-2 in between my hair appointments. So for today's video, I will be reviewing these bundles by INDU. I got 3 bundles, the 20, 22, and 24, and also an all queen bundle. As you can see, before she even put the extensions in my head, baby, I made sure that she greased my scalp, because this is the best hair grease I have ever known of. So she started sewing in that first extension, or that first track. And this is basically just a repetitive process until she got all of the bundles into my head.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, boy, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch you? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you. All she talking about is come and see me once. Come and see me once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. How she hit me with it? Come and see me once. Come and see me once. Oh, y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart, don't mean he got a heart. He could be standing in the field and still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things that make me feel the way I make it feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and I miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. I was decorated. These things getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you. Like, yeah. All she talking about is come and see me. Come and see me for once. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me.
So if you like your hair full like me, I would truly suggest that you just go ahead and get 4 bundles to be on the safe side. With these beauty supply bundles, they can sometimes run on the more thinner side, which I feel like these bundles did, but they were decent. They're just not like the raw bundles that I'm used to having installed for my sew-ins. Baby, when I say I hate to see the flat iron coming, hot comb, any of that, baby, I do not like it because it's just like this thing be eating your girl up. But anyways, as you can see, she is just getting my leave out together before she starts to focus on the hair. She did flat iron these bundles before she went in and curled and pin curled my hair for my desired style.
Throwing dirt on my old name only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desire. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. You know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide. Your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave his side, but I don't really fight. Me, I'm moving quiet. All the things we try, and let's just keep it private. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life? Cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. You're a real ass woman and I like it. Yep. You inspired, I need you excited, I don't wanna fight.
So right here, baby, is my favorite part because she was getting the edges together and say, when I say my edges were laid, they were laid. Baby, the New Orleans weather was so disrespectful. Me and my boo went on a walk before we had started getting ready for the game. And y'all, when I say my leave out started to act a fool, like my hair started acting a fool. So that's really why I want to opt in to get a wig. So I won't have to worry about my leave out like freezing up or anything. But she definitely did her thing on this install. I was super, super happy. She put some layers in my hair because, baby, I am a layers girl through and through. I just feel like it makes the style pop. Honestly, I would rate this hair maybe a 7 out of 10 simply because it does shed. It is some cute hair, but if you're thinking more of like longevity, I would suggest that you just opt in utilizing some bundles that, you know, will get the job done and that will actually last. My raw bundles that I normally would have installed, last literally an entire month. I'll wash it maybe once, wash my leave out, and baby, I'm back in the game. So this was definitely new to me because I honestly have not had beauty supply bundles since like college. However, my next install, I will be showing you guys me getting my Body Wave raw bundles installed.
I figure out you figure out me, we go for different breed. I'm following your lead, I ask you what you need, you say guaranteed. I mean, you say that like it's easy. You never believe me, so yeah, I got keys for these other girls sleeping on them, girl, I'm sleepy. Sometimes I'm so indecisive, but you're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight it.
And I mean, as she was taking those pins out of the curls, baby, I already knew the hair was about to eat. When I say the bundles did do exactly what they needed to do, the only thing that I hate that I did not do was dye them jet black. I love a good jet black sew-in.
Baby boy, stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. You don't know the love is real. Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy. Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. You don't know the love is real.
When she got out this comb, baby, I already knew what time it was when I say my hair started falling exactly how it should have fallen. I was just pleased. I'm normally not a side part girly. I rock a middle part every single time. But when I say I was so satisfied with this look, I was so satisfied. And look at how the curls just are more defined because I opt in for layers. If you're scared of getting layers in your bundles, baby, you don't know what you're missing. And if you're at a good hairstylist, she will know exactly what she needs to do in order to not chop up your bundles, and you will be able to reuse them. But yes, this is the finishing look. Like I said, I love the hair, but I just feel like I should have maybe had a closure to truly enjoy this install because I'm not feeling it because the rain or the weather has been a little bit iffy. So that's the only thing. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video just as much as I have enjoyed getting my hair done. I decided to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to bring you guys along on my maintenance videos a lot more. Make sure that you hit that thumbs up button for a like, and make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.